channel. So today is Monday, it is Labor Day, so having a productive day off, which you guys know I love. I'm doing kind of like my Sunday routine today. I went to spin this morning, went to the grocery store. It was amazing. There was nobody at the store. I was in and out, and then came home, showered, got ready, and then just met my friend for some breakfast. So yeah, it was overall a productive morning, and I'm loving that. It's only 12:30. There is a frog on my dashboard from my window. I hang on for dear life, but I'm like, oh, it's grossing me out. Anyways, gonna go home, do my Sunday routine, because yesterday I didn't get to it. I just want to clean and get some stuff done around the house. And I'll take you guys with me. I really want to decorate for fall too, so I'm gonna have Brad go up in the attic before he has soccer tonight to go and grab all the fall decor. I would do it because I don't need no man, but obviously I don't want to be going up and down the attic with a bunch of decor pregnant in case God forbid something happens. So that's my plan for today. We're gonna make chicken gnocchi soup. So it's gonna be a fun, even though it is so hot out, you guys. I need fall pumpkin sweaters, all the things, and I think it's like almost 100 out today. So I'm not loving it. But anyways, I will check in with you guys later on. This frog, oh my goodness, gross. Today I worked and then left a little bit early so I could go and watch Brad's soccer game, and I'm so happy that I did, you guys. Oh my goodness. So he's been stressed about this game. Like, this is the best team that they're going to play. They're ranked like number 20 in the country, and they won. I'm so happy for him. I was like gonna cry. Probably my pregnancy hormones like mixed in with that, but I was like, oh, I'm so happy. Like, the last season last year just like wasn't their best, but they pulled it out and they won. It was such a good game. I'm so happy. I was like kind of contemplating like leaving work early and just like watching it from home because they like stream it or whatever. But I was like, you know what? It was really hot, but I was like, the sun's out. I can make up the hour and a half tomorrow and Thursday. Like, I want to go. I really want to go to their home opener. This is like the best team they're gonna play, and I have such a good feeling. And they won. I'm so happy for him. He deserves it. He is the most hard working person. But anyways, I'm like smiling ear to ear. I'm like, I made meatballs. I like did it in the crock pot. He's like, oh, I feel bad. The team. I'm like, no, go with the team. Like, go and celebrate. They're like, you can come. I'm like, no, I want to get home. I am so tired and like sweating in places I didn't even know I could sweat. And like, I look, I can't even imagine how I look right now. My makeup, it's okay. It was so worth it because I'm so happy for him. But anyways, so yeah, I wanted to like talk to you guys. It's getting dark, so we'll keep this short, and I feel like I do plenty of car chit chat talks with you guys. But I want to start incorporating more like not main channel type videos, but like kind of incorporating themes into my vlog. So like, I feel like, and I've been telling you guys this, like, I don't really know what to vlog because I feel like you guys have seen me go to spin. You've seen my Target hauls. You've seen TJ Maxx hauls. Like, it's not that I'm like, I don't think I'm uninteresting. I just like kind of do the same things. And I feel like working from home, having a business, and then everything else that I do on the side, I work a lot. And like the downtime I do have, I'm spending it with Brad. And I've talked about like why he isn't on like my YouTube. He coaches a college soccer team, and I think there's just like fear of him being on YouTube. He doesn't have any social media besides Facebook, and it's because of what he does for work. I'm like, I don't think anyone's gonna find it or care. Like, I don't do anything, but obviously I never wanted anyone to be uncomfortable. But anyways, I'm so excited. I'm so happy for him. And like, part of me is like, I really don't want meatballs right now. So I'm like, do I want Taco Bell? Like, I'm kind of thinking about it, but we'll see. I'm really actually just want to shower and get home and get to bed and read my book. I was reading a little bit during the game. It was like so hot though that I like could not focus, and my phone wasn't working. I don't know why whenever I'm there I have like full service, but my phone doesn't work. It's really weird, which is kind of nice because I can be in the moment. But I was reading my book. I'm reading It Starts With Us, and I'm like halfway through it, and I just started it on Friday, I think, and I'm loving it. It's really good. I really want to finish it by end of week, and I think I'll be able to. Colleen Hoover books are so easy for like me to get through. I feel like they're very easy to read. My book of the month just came. It's on the ground. I'd show you guys. I'm also driving, but it came today before I left for the game, and I got The Stranger Upstairs. It's like a thriller book. It's only like 280 something pages, so I feel like I could definitely finish that book in a week. I didn't realize how like small, like how short the book is, but that's okay. It's probably good for someone like me who kind of takes a while to get through books. So yeah, and then I also have a few books. So I like read a book on my Kindle, and then I'll switch to my book of the month. I finished The Dark Corners, I think is what it was called. I've shown it on here a bunch of times, and I really liked it. I thought at first it was so good, and I was like, oh, this is a really good book, and then it just kind of like flopped. So I gave it a 3 out of 5. It just was like a little all over the place, and just, I don't know. It like too much going on that like didn't need to be there. Like, I feel like they could have made it a really good book, or yeah, a really good story with like the main plot, but then there was like other things happening that I was just like losing my interest. But I have this one which I've heard is really good. None of this is true, and I'm excited to read that. I think my sister read it and she said it was really good, and I've heard that Lisa Jewell, I think is her name, that author, she's really good. So I'm excited. I really want to get through It Starts With Us. I already read It Ends With Us. I like posted it on Instagram, and someone was like, wait, don't read it yet. I'm like, I know, I already read It Ends With Us. I did think, however, that it was a prequel, which I guess there are parts, but I thought it was like a straight prequel of It Ends With Us, but it's not. It's kind of playing off of like what happens after. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna head home or get Taco Bell. I haven't decided. I probably should be good because I did make dinner. Oops, cop. Hopefully not looking at my inspection sticker. It's only been a few days, but we're getting the car inspected tomorrow. But yeah, anyways, so tomorrow I think what I'm going to do and show you guys, and tomorrow's Wednesday, I'm all messed up with like the holiday on Monday, but this video will probably go up a little bit later. Like on Wednesday, I want to do like an Amazon roundup of August and show you guys kind of like what I bought and if it's worth it or not. And I talked about this in my last video. I really want to try and just be as like minimal as possible. I don't want to be like a minimalist. I love shopping, I love clothes, so like realistically that's not gonna happen, but I do want to like tone it in. Like I don't need I had 4 Stanleys. Nobody needs 4 Stanleys. Brad's so cute. He's like, stop at the gas station and get a Gatorade. It was so hot, you guys, and on the turf fields and the bleachers. He's like, stop and get a Gatorade for Kason. I need you to drink electrolytes. I'm like, ugh, I don't feel like stopping. But I'm gonna drink a liquid IV when I get home. He's so cute. So I did drink a full Stanley, but what I was saying is like I don't need 4 Stanleys, and these things are expensive. Like, so I gave one to my sister because I'm like, okay, I am running out of room already to begin with in my cabinets. Like, never mind when Kason's bottles and like everything comes. So yeah, just like trying to declutter, and like when I buy things, it's like really think it through. So I'll do, like I said, an August roundup, and I'll try and have everything like in the video like that I bought, like visual, and then anything that's not, I'll show you on my phone, but you'll screenshot a picture. But alright girl, you can do it. Okay, anyways, it's getting dark. I'm gonna listen to some music. I'm very tired. I should be good, huh? Like, I don't need Taco Bell. There's food at it. But I'm like, you know, like if I was going, girl math, if I was going out to eat with Brad, I'd be spending money at Buffalo Wild Wings. But like I'm not, so now I can go and get what I want. Oh no, I'll be good. I'll save Taco Bell maybe for Thursday because they have an away game on Thursday that I can't make it to. I'm gonna watch it, stream it, whatever, because it's kind of far away and I don't want to be taking off a lot of time. I really want to try and save as much PTO as I have from now until the end of the year. I did the math today, like I have like you can figure it out, whatever, put it until the end of the year and how much PTO you'll accumulate. And if I don't take off any more time, which I don't have any scheduled time besides like around the holidays, I always take that off, like Brad and I do. But maybe Kason will be here. But if he were to come January 1st, his due date, I would have like 4 weeks of PTO that I can accumulate on top of my maternity leave. My job has the best maternity leave. So my plan, and then I'm gonna go, but my plan is to go back to work with at least 40 hours of PTO. So use up, of course, all my maternity leave plus 3 weeks if I don't take off any more time. So that way, in case I never, you know, if there's ever an emergency or if I need to take a day off, my work is great though because I can flex my hours as needed. But I just want to make sure I go back with at least some PTO under my belt. I don't want to like be, you know, if there was ever an emergency and I didn't have PTO, like be stressing about it. Hey you guys, so it's now Wednesday night. It is getting late. It's like 6 o'clock. I just worked and made dinner and now I'm showing you guys my August roundup, and I will do like monthly Amazon roundups, but I was looking through and I just want to be more organized. Like everything is already in its spot. Like I bought a rug, I bought a lamp, and it's getting dark as you can tell. So next month I promise I'll be better at like doing and showing everything that I bought off Amazon and whether or not it's worth it. But obviously, like I said, and I promised you guys, I wanted to do a little, my camera died in that last clip by the way, but I wanted to do a little roundup of a few things. So today I'm going to show you guys some of my maternity purchases, and I just made another order off of Amazon. There are other websites. I don't really love Old Navy. I gotta look again. I didn't love, like, I looked a few weeks ago and it was kind of like their summer stuff, so I was just staying away. I just need more lounge sets because that's like pretty much all I'm wearing, and you'll see one of the items that I bought One's in the wash, so I can't show you, but yeah, I just am looking for like pretty much basics that I can layer and just be comfortable, because you guys know I work from home and everything, so I don't really care too much to get dressed up. So I'll show you guys those pieces when they come in. But the first thing that I bought, just because I had wedding showers and just to have when it's really hot out, when I don't want to wear like pants, is this dress. And I figured it's perfect because I can layer it and style it so many different ways, and it really shows off the bump. Like, I know some people will say like you really can tell the difference with maternity wear, and at first I was like, no, I'm just gonna size up. And the pieces that I bought today aren't maternity. I just bought them in like 2 sizes too big, that way it'll be really comfortable. But it is so true. Like, I want to show you guys right now. I'm wearing maternity biker shorts, and you can just tell they just are so much more comfortable, and I feel like they like flatter the bump more, and I don't know, it like, I can tell I'm pregnant sometimes when I wear just like regular biker shorts, because I have a pair, they don't fit, I actually just stored those away. It's like cutting into my circulation, it felt so weird. So we'll see. I'm hoping those lounge sets will work, and if not, they're really cute, so I'll return them, or I'll wait to wear them until after. But then I got this green olive dress, which I thought would be cute with some knee-high boots, and can again dress it up or dress it down with some sneakers. So pick that up. And then, like I was saying, so for the fall, because obviously we're heading into the cooler months, even though it doesn't really feel like it, I like today I think is like 100 degrees, tomorrow is going to be 100, and I need like fall. You guys know I'm a huge fall lover. But I bought long sleeve shirts. I'd show you guys, but they're just pretty standard long sleeve shirts, and I'll link these pieces below, because in the fall I'm thinking I'm probably just going to be in leggings. Fall and winter I'll be in leggings, some lounge sets, as long as they fit. And when I do need to get dressed up, I actually bought a pair of maternity jeans, because I was like, okay, I can't keep wearing leggings. And these were super inexpensive. They're so cute. They're kind of wrinkly, but I absolutely love them. I need to iron them, but I'm obsessed. And they're so comfortable. They're so flattering. They have a boot cut, and I ordered just a pair of like skinny jeans that I can wear if I like have an event or something to go to that's like a little bit more casual. And then I'm also going to buy a pair of ripped denim, because I do love a good pair of ripped denim. But yeah, and oh, so what I was saying is in the fall, so like pretty much in the fall, what I'm saying is the only really places that I go to are Brad's soccer games, and I don't love always wearing just like a sweatshirt, like the college sweatshirts or whatever. So I'm thinking my go-to outfit is going to be jeans, one of the long sleeve maternity tops. I just got black, gray, and I think it came with 2 black. I don't even remember. I haven't had a chance to wear them because it's just been so hot. And then just like layering with like a puff vest or a denim jacket or corduroy jacket, and just kind of styling around a basic neutral fit. So yeah, I know, like I said, I promised a huge like Amazon roundup, but I'm going to do that at the end of this month and just be more organized. I lost track of time and honestly forgot that today was Wednesday and I need to edit this video. So anyways, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys next Wednesday in a new video. Bye.